Wishing a wonderful day to all of you. Welcome to online class of SST. Today we will start our new chapter 13, the earth. The earth is our mother. The earth is not flat as we see it. It is in fact round like an orange. We live on the surface of the earth. Surface of the earth is made of land and water. We live on the earth. The earth is a blue planet. It looks blue in color because it has water on it. A globe is a model of the earth. The blue color on the globe shows the water bodies on the earth. More than half of the earth is covered with water. The rest is land. We live on the land part of the earth. Now let us read what is written here. We live on the earth. It is our home. It is round in shape. There is air all around the earth. There is more water than land on the earth. We live on land. The earth is also the home for plants and animals. A small model of the earth is called globe. Now we will discuss about various landforms of the earth. Landforms are the natural shape or features called landforms. There are many different types of landforms found on the earth. The land is not same everywhere. There are plains, hills, mountains, valleys, plateaus and deserts on the land. Plains. Plains, as you all are familiar with, are areas of flat land. The plains usually meet the ocean or seas. These are called coastal plains. In India, we have the eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Some plains are formed by the action of rivers. These are called river plains. In India, the northern Gangetic plain is a river plain. River plains are very fertile and good for growing crops. Now let us read what is written here. Plains. Flat land areas are called plains. Plains are good for growing crops. Plains are usually hot in summer and cold in winter. Most people live in the plains. Next is mountains. High hills are called mountains. Some high mountains are covered with snow. The pointed top of mountain is called a peak. A mountain is the highest landforms on the surface of the earth. It is usually found to be conical in shape. It means cone shape. As compared to their surroundings, mountains are high points on the surface of the earth. Mountain range is a series of mountains. The highest mountain range in the world is the Himalayas. Some mountains are found under the sea and could be taller than the Mount Everest. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Hills. Hills are lower than mountains but are higher than their surrounding areas. Hills are lower in height than mountains. A number of hills together form a range of hills. Hills are usually covered with grass. The climate in the hills is more pleasant than the climate in high snow covered mountains. It is usually neither too hot nor too cold. They make perfect tourist destinations. Now, let us read what is written here. Areas of the earth which are at the higher level than the ground are called hills. The land of hills is rocky. Hills usually have a fine weather throughout a year. There are many tourist places on the hills. Today, your homework is name the various landforms of the earth. Now it's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.